Good afternoon, guys. We're over in Primrose Way today recording 3 lovely units for you. So Simon has already done the Hamilton. We also did the Keswick and now we're in the Trieste. So these are lovely, lovely caravans over on our brand new development Primrose Way. You're able to have a side deck. So if I show you the outside here, nice space here for a lovely little side deck. There's Simon in the view. Hi guys. So have that going in, and as we go in to the unit, this is a really, really light, airy, spacious front end. So it's all super open plan. And as you can see here, you've got a massive seating area. This also turns into a double bed. So this 3-bed unit actually can sleep 8 people. You have a lovely multimedia unit and feature fireplace here, which is really, really nice. Lots and lots of big windows as well, so really light, airy feel. You have a nice colour palette in the kitchen, integrated microwave and integrated fridge freezer there. This is your dining spot, so again, lots and lots of seating there. Really nice for families. So this holiday home is available on our guaranteed let agreement. So if you are someone who isn't going to be able to use your caravan necessarily every single weekend or every single Monday to Friday, and you don't want it to just be sat empty while you're not here, and you think, why not rent it out and let's offset some of the site fees if it's just sat here empty anyway, this unit is absolutely perfect for that. So let's just say you select a handful of weeks, £5,000. You can either have that £5,000 paid to you, you can use it against your pitch fees for 2026 because they would already be included this year, or you can use it as a deposit contribution, so £5,000 off the price of the caravan. So as you can see, it's a really, really useful thing. It's probably quite a financially sensible decision for those of you that can't use it 100% of the time. So let's go through to the back end of the caravan and I'll show you the 3 bedrooms. So actually we start off in the bathroom. So this is the family bathroom. Everything that you need. You've got your double shower, your sink, toilet, heated towel rail. And then we also do have another toilet as well, because obviously if there are 6 to 8 people, you do sometimes need an additional loo. So first bedroom is this lovely twin here. Very, very practical. Got a nice sort of seasidey finish on the curtain, a seasidey finish to the colour palette as well. That actually matches all through the caravan. Really, really nice depth on the mattresses, so good quality, perfect. You've got a master bedroom here, so you have your double bed. Again, nice theme throughout. You've got a little dressing area here, your wardrobe space, some shelving, nice big comfortable double bed as well. And then your third room is here. So again, we've got 2 twins, your wardrobe, shelving, and a little mirror area here as well. So 3 good bedrooms, a nice open front end, very, very good value for money caravan, and absolutely available on our guaranteed let agreement. So if that's something that appeals to you, you know the drill. Give me a call. 078 6767 4308 is my number. You can find me on Facebook. That's just Cara Berryman, Cara with a K, Berryman. And then my TikTok is Cara B, as in the bumblebee. So Cara BEE. So do look out for me on TikTok or Facebook, or just message me 078 6767 4308. Right guys, have a lovely rest of the day. Enjoy.